Hi everybody, it's Brian at Custom Classics. Here behind me is a beautiful 1967 Chevelle. Rotisserie restored, true SS. It's a 138 VIN. Anybody knows anything about Chevelles? The real SS big block car started with 138. Also, paint coat on this car is AA, tuxedo black. You can't get a better suit than this. Black with the red interior. This car came fully loaded and fully optioned. It has the 396 big block with the 4-speed. It has the sport steering wheel. This one even has, rarely seen, the tack that's off on the far left side of the dash. Nice bucket seats, nice console in this car. The interior is super crisp on the inside. Finish the thing off with some nice Firestone red lines on the bias ply. The trim rings, the fit, the finish on this car. The paint is urethane base coat clear. They've got this thing wet sanded and buffed super slick. So attention to detail, the fit on the gaps and everything else on this car is also very much over the top. When you walk around the car and view all the photos on it, looking inside and out, everything's super nice. It's got updated sound system, retro sound, which is a nice radio in there. I don't know what all options that has on it, but look that up on our website and you'll get all the rest of the details on it. Check the photos on the underside, you'll see super detailed. Frame is really nice. Exhaust is nice. Everything under there is just as nice as the top side, as well as that engine. It does have 12-volt posi that finishes off everything. So there you have it, one really nice 67 big block Chevelle. You can look us up online. There you'll see all the photos on this build, top and bottom, and you'll see a nice write-up on it with all the details. You can reach out to us to get more information. We'd love to talk to you. Don't forget to look us up on all of our socials as well. Thank you.